Tanchi, Dishnikashon, Grandmother Loretta.
Tanche, Dishnakashan, Grandmother Linda. Why don't you join us for a cup of tea and a quick chat?
We were watching the news today, and they were talking about the forced or coerced sterilization of Métis women, two-spirited, and LGBTQIA folks.
Which is medical procedures that end someone's ability to have a child. For example, having their tubes tied, or having a hysterectomy without agreeing to, or being pressured to have the procedure. Do you know this continues to happen here today? This reminds me of something that happened when I was younger. Just after I had my third child, at my postpartum checkup. Instead of talking about the baby, my doctor insisted that having my tubes tied was what was best for me, and went ahead and booked the appointment before I could even agree. That doctor made me uncomfortable and didn't explain to me that having my tubes tied was a permanent procedure. Since then, I feel really anxious every time I go to the doctor's. In fact, I have a doctor's appointment this afternoon I am not looking forward to.
Did you know that you have rights when you go to the doctors? It is important to know your rights. The rights for Métis women, two-spirited, and LGBTQIA folks are to make informed choices about your own bodies based on your own Métis values, to consider all options and to have as much time as you need to make an informed decision, to speak to someone who is a friend, counselor, knowledge keeper, or elder, to choose what is right for you and for your physical, mental, emotional well-being and health, to know all of the risks and benefits about the medical procedures explained to you in a way that you can understand, to have someone you trust with you to attend any consultations and decision-making appointments. Most importantly, you have the right to refuse any procedure right up to the time you're going to have your procedure, and to have that decision respected unconditionally.
So, would you mind coming with me to my appointment this afternoon?
Absolutely.
Merci, Loretta. I appreciate you coming with me.
I have all of the notes you will need to think about your options. Merci for joining us today. We hope that you will remember that you have rights when it comes to health care. For more information, please check out Les Femmes Métis Otipimsawak.